So I love Diet Coke, iced tea, and coffee. 3 drinks that cost a ridiculous amount of money when you go and you get them. Now, we all know that the best Diet Coke out there is a McDonald's Diet Coke. But the McDonald's near me, it's almost $3 for a large Diet Coke. And I don't have time to play like that. That's too much money to spend on a Diet Coke, especially for the rate I'd like to have one, which is about one a day. So how do I manage the Diet Coke addiction that I have and save myself money? Well, I actually got one of those home stream CO2 things, and you're able to make yourself a Diet Coke right there. And granted, it's not Diet Coke, it's Diet Pepsi, but we won't tell anybody. So it cost about, I think it was like $80 because it was on sale, and the cartridges, I don't know how much they cost. They're like 20 or 30 bucks. And then the little drink things, you can find those on sale for a decent price. So for like 90% off of what a Diet Coke cost me at McDonald's, I can stay at home and make one here. The other thing is if I bought canned soda, which if you've been to the grocery store recently and you've looked at the price on canned soda, holy hell, what are they thinking? It's way too expensive. So when you look at how your drinks are and what modifications you could make, you might find yourself going out and buying something like the soda, I think it's called a soda stream. Buying something like a soda stream so you can save yourself some money on your soda pop. Now, if you also have iced tea, one moment please, you just make yourself some iced tea. And this is nice because I can make it and throw it in the refrigerator, and then I have it available to me, and I'm not buying a jug of iced tea. I'm not going out and getting an iced tea. And that saves me money, which I really like to do. And overall, that easily saves me a lot of money each week.